When to use CLA, CLF or close for clearing a plot in matplotlib. Matplotlib offers these functions. When should I use each function and what exactly does it do?
They all do different things, since matplotlib uses a hierarchical order in which a figure window contains a figure which may consist of many axes. Additionally, there are functions from the matplot interface and there are methods on the figure class. I will discuss both cases below. Matplot interface. Matplot is a module that collects a couple of functions that allow matplotlib to be used in a functional manner. I here assume that matplot has been imported as import matplotlib.matplot as plt. In this case, there are 3 different commands that remove stuff. See matplotlib.matplot functions. plt.clear clears an axis, i.e. the currently active axis in the current figure. It leaves the other axes untouched. plt.clf clears the entire current figure with all its axes, but leaves the window opened, such that it may be reused for other plots. plt.close closes a window, which will be the current window, if not specified otherwise. Which function suits you best depends thus on your use case. The close function furthermore allows one to specify which window should be closed. The argument can either be a number or name given to a window when it was created using figure number underscore or underscore name, or it can be a figure instance fig obtained, i.e., using fig equals figure. If no argument is given to close, the currently active window will be closed. Furthermore, there is the syntax close all, which closes all figures. Methods of the figure class. Additionally, the figure class provides methods for clearing figures. I'll assume in the following that fig is an instance of a figure. Fig.clf clears the entire figure. This call is equivalent to plt.clf only if fig is the current figure. Fig.clear is a synonym for fig.clf. Note that even del fig will not close the associated figure window. As far as I know, the only way to close a figure window is using plt.closefig as described above.
There is just a caveat that I discovered today. If you have a function that is calling a plot a lot of times, you better use plt.closefig instead of fig.clf. Somehow the first does not accumulate in memory. In short, if memory is a concern, use plt.closefig. Although it seems that there are better ways, go to the end of this comment for relevant links. So that the following script will produce an empty list. Whereas this one will produce a list with 5 figures on it. From the documentation above is not clear to me what is the difference between closing a figure and closing a window. Maybe that will clarify. If you want to try a complete script, there you have. If memory is a concern, somebody already posted a workaround in SoC, create a figure that is reference counted.
plt.cl means clear current axis. plt.clf means clear current figure. Also, there's plt.gcf, get current axis, and plt.gcf, get current figure. Read more here: matplotlib, pyplot, pylab, etc. What's the difference between these and when to use each?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.